Good afternoon, dear children. Good afternoon, dear respected our teachers. How are you all? Hopefully, you are doing well there. My dear students, as you know, Essay 2 is coming near. So, you are thinking how the questions will come. Today in this class, we will discuss about the Essay 2 English questions. Okay, let's get started our discussion on Essay 2 questions. Let's go to the smart board. My dear students, I am Mamta Swar, Headmistress, Government PUPS, Haldi-Bahal, Block Hemgir, Sundargarh. Welcome all of you to our virtual class, Sundargarh. First question will come paragraph, about the paragraph. Read silently the paragraph and answer the questions that follow. All about your textbook, and you have to read the paragraph silently twice and understand what is the theme, what is the main idea of the paragraph, and you have to answer the questions that follow. Okay, let's read the paragraph silently. Lynn and Joe Rapp, the author of a book called Indoor Plants, say that plants respond to all sounds, whether it is music or voices. These sound waves make vibration which stimulate growth. They say plants have definite likes and dislikes in music, and they seem to like classical music more. My dear student, see, Lynn and Joe Rapp, the author of book called Indoor Plants, say that plants respond to all sounds, whether it is music or voices. These sound voices make vibration which stimulate growth. They said that plants have definite likes and dislikes in music. Okay, and they seem to like classical music more. Hasten, paragraph 2. Hasten explained this. This means this. Plants have definite likes and dislikes in music, and they seem to like classical music more. This is in a very scientific way. He said the hum or similar music stimulated the plant's breathing cell and made them stay open for longer periods. He said the hum or the similar music stimulated the plant's breathing cells and made them stay open for longer periods. Because of this, the plant took in more nutrients from the air than it normally would, and thus it grew faster. He also said that if the sound was played continuously, the breathing cells would not be able to close. Once again, I repeat this line. He also said, who said? Hasten said that if the sound was played continuously, the breathing cells would not be able to close. Therefore, the plants would grow fast, that it would kill itself. Okay? Therefore, the plants would grow fast, that it would kill itself. This is all about your paragraph, first paragraph and second paragraph, and now you should understand the paragraph. Okay, and after reading you have to do the questions answer. You need to read the paragraph 2 times. It is better for you. Okay, my dear children, you see, the first question is, who are the author of Indoor Plants? Once again I repeat the question, who are the author of Indoor Plants? See, I have just underlined the topic. What is the answer? Who are the author of Indoor Plants? Okay, my dear children, please say the answer.
Lynn and Joe Rapp, authors of Indoor Plants.
Very good, beta.
Lynn and Joe Rapp, authors of Indoor Plants.
Yes. Next question. First question, Lynn and Joe Rapp, the author of a book called Indoor Plants. Okay. Next question. What does this in the first line of paragraph 1 refer to? What does this in the first line of para 1 refer to? This para 1. It's para 2, not para 1. It's para 2. Paragraph 2. What does this in the first line of paragraph 2 refer to? Austin explained this in a very scientific way. This refers to what? Will say yes. I have already underlined here. What is the answer?
Austin explained this in a very scientific way.
Yes, beta, you are right. But this means this refers to whom? This refers to whom? Which idea refers to? Which idea the authors saying that this? You see the first paragraph,
Stimulate
last
the
line.
plant's breathing cells.
Here I underlined the line. Plants have definite likes and dislikes in music. Yes? This refers to read aloud the line. Read aloud the line.
Have definite likes and dislikes in music, and they seem to like classical music more.
Very good, beta, very good. Okay. This in the first line of para 2 refers to plants like and dislike in music. The word stimulate to make somebody or something feel more active and healthy. Okay. Next question. What happened when the breathing cell of the plants were stimulated? What happened when the breathing cells of the plants were stimulated? What happened when the breathing cell of the plants were stimulated? You can open your book.
When the breathing cells, yes, ma'am. When the breathing cells of the plant were stimulated, they made them stay open for longer periods.
Very good, beta. Very good. Excellent. Next question.
Thank you, ma'am.
When the breathing cell of the plant stimulated, they made them stay open for longer period. Okay? I repeat once again. When the breathing cells of the plant stimulated, they made them stay open for longer periods. Next question. What would happen if the music was played continuously? You see the line is written
If the
there.
music,
Anyone else? Another student can say. Yes?
If the music was played continuously, the breathing cells would not be able to close.
Very good. That's good. Excellent. If the sound was played continuously, the breathing cell would, beta. Its pronunciation is would not be able to close. If the music was played continuously, the breathing cells would not be able to close. Therefore, the plants would grow so fast that each would kill itself. Okay. Next question. Do you know any Indian scientists who have experimented on plants? Do you know any Indian scientists who have experimented on plants?
Yes,
Yes,
Jagdish
yes,
Chandra
ma'am.
Bose was one of the Indian
Jagdish
scientists
Chandra-
who experiment on plants.
Wow, very good. Excellent. That's good. Yes, Jagdish Chandra Bose was the Indian scientist who experimented on plants. Then we will proceed to next question. Read paragraph silently and answer the questions that follow. This is all about your story book. Okay? A little boy Gopi wanted to teach the three brothers a lesson. He was studying in the same class as the prince. He came to the palace almost every day. One afternoon, when Gopi was returning home, he came pushing a little cart filled with dry leaves. The youngest brother was at the gate. He said, "Just a minute, Gopi, is there anything hidden under the leaves? Let me see." Through the leaves, he used his very powerful eyes and looked carefully, but he found nothing under the leaves. He allowed Gopi to go and write in the guard's book. Gopi took load of dry leaves. The next day, Gopi went out with a cart full of grass. The second brother used his extra powerful eyes and found nothing under the load of grass. He allowed Gopi to go and wrote in the guard's book. Gopi took a load of grass. The third day, Gopi went home with a cart of loaded sand. The third brother used his extra powerful eyes and found nothing in the load of sand. He allowed Gopi to go and write in the guard's book. Gopi took a load of sand. Okay, this is all about your storybook. Let's see what are the questions. Who wanted to teach them a lesson? See your storybook. The answer is written in the first line.
Gopi wanted to teach them a lesson.
Gopi
Yes. A little boy wanted to teach them a lesson. Who? A little boy wanted to teach them a lesson. Okay. Next question. How could he came to the palace almost every day? How could he came to the palace almost every day? How could he came to the palace almost every day? What is the answer? Read aloud. The answer is written here. Yes? What is the answer? Who can say? Yes? Devkaranpur High School? Devkaranpur High School? Can you answer please? Yes, beta, say.
plays almost every day one
Read aloud the line.
little Gabriel. He was
aloud.
studying in the same class as the prince. He came to the palace almost every day.
Excellent. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, that's good. He was studying in the same class as the prince. He came to the palace almost every day. Okay. Next question. What did he bring from the palace? What did he bring from the palace?
He brought from the palace a little pussycat.
See, what did he bring from the palace? What is written here?
Dry leaves. Dry
Yes.
leaves.
Then,
Full of grass.
then,
Sand.
sand. Yes. Dry leaves, full grass and sand. Okay. He brought dry leaves, grass and stone from the palace. He brought dry leaves, grass and stone from the palace. Let's see next question. This is all about your poem. Read the poem and answer the question. Okay. Said the day to night, I bring God's light. What gifts have you? Night said the dew. I give bright hours, said day, and flowers. Said night, more blessed, I bring sweet rest. What is the poem about, my dear children? Can you say please?
The poem about day or night.
Very good, beta. The poem
poem-
is about. Say once again.
Day
The
and
half of the
day or
half
night.
of the answer is yes, beta. You are right. The half of the answer is written in the question. You see. The poem is about. Here we will write is. The poem is about day and night. Okay, say once again.
The poem is about day or night.
Very good, beta. Very good. Excellent. Sit down, beta. Okay, next question. The poem is about day and night. Who asks questions in the poem? Who asks questions in the poem? Who asks?
They ask question
The
in
day
the
of
poem.
question in the poem.
Excellent, excellent. You all are brilliant student. I know. You will do better in your SA2 exam. Wish you all the best. See, they ask questions in the poem. Good. Next question. Who brings God's light? Who brings God's light?
Night.
The day brings God's light. The day brings God's light.
Excellent. Very good, beta. Very good. Day brings God's light. Next question. Which one is more important, flower or rest? Which one is more important, flower or rest? Can
Rest
say-
is more important.
Rest.
Wow, wow, very good, excellent. Rest is more important. Okay, next question. Who according to is a male, day or night? Who is a male? Day is a male or night is male?
According to us, the day is a male.
Wow, very good, beta, very good. Well done. According to us, day is male. Good. Now, see another question. Choose the correct alternative and fill in the blanks. The scarecrow does not taste. Dig the land, scare the crow, scare... Yes, yes, you are right. Very good. Well done, beta. Well done, well done. Well done. Now see. Read the passage and fill in the blanks. The help box is here. You see with the help of help box, you have to fill in the blanks. This is Des. Biju Patnaik Des told Des one of his Des experiences with his Des to Mr. Feed, who Des researches Des Biju and Dakata. Yes? What is the first answer? This is Des Biju Patnaik. Who will say the answer? Yes? Yes, yes.
What? What?
Yes, sit down, beta. You sit down. Next student. Yes, yes. You are right, beta. You sit down. Next student.
Himself.
Yes.
Himself.
Himself. Okay, very good, beta. Sit down. Good. Next. Next. Yeah.
About.
About. Very good. Next. Who can say?
Daredevil. 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 Daredevil.
Daredevil. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. You are doing well, beta. Next.
Dakota.
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 Yes. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Next.
Deed. Deed.
Did. Last one. Who will say?
On.
Wow. Very good. Very good. Very good. You all are brilliant students. I appreciate you. Okay. Okay. Let's go to next question. Narration from direct to indirect speech. See the example. Example. Indirect speech. Narration from direct to indirect speech. See the example and do the task. Direct speech. Sibei said, "Give me some food." Indirect speech. Sibei asked to give him some food. Indirect speech. In direct speech, you see Sibei said, asking for some food. Sibei asking some food to mother. Okay. Indirect speech, Sibei asked to give him some food. In this way, we will do next question. Old man. Old man says, "Do not take the porridge from the middle." Old man says that, "Do not take the porridge from the middle." What is the indirect speech? Change into indirect speech. Yes? What will happen? Old man says, "Do not take the porridge from the middle." The old man advised to Sibei Samantarai. Sorry. The old man advised to Sibei Samantarai that you should not take porridge from the middle. What is the answer? How can we write in indirect speech? Change this direct speech into yes, beta. Say good, very good. Say try, beta, try.
Old woman.
Advice. Yes. Say beta. Try. Anyone else?
Do not take the porridge from the middle.
Yes, you are right, beta. But in indirect sentence, how can we write? Do not take the porridge from middle. It's direct speech. We have to write it in direct speech. The old man advised to Sibei Samantarai not to take porridge from the middle. The old man, here is the old man advised to Sibei Samantarai. The answer is, what is the answer? Any other? Can you try? Yes? My dear students, try. Already your teacher has taught you this lesson. You have already taught. What is the answer? You have already read this chapter. All the chapters are completed. I think revision also completed. What is the answer? Yes, high school. Yes, high school. Yes, beta. Try. Who can say? Okay. Let's see. You must practice it. Practice it twice or twice. The old man advised him. See the answer. The old man advised him not to take porridge from the middle. If there is a do not, in direct speech, if there is a do not, जदि do not थिबो, जदि question रे do not थिबो, एले तमे indirect रे कौन लिखिबा पिले? Not to. ला देखो, एठी in direct speech रे कौन देइछि? Do not take the porridge from the middle. And the answer कौन हबो? The old man advised. Advise करूचंती old man काकू? Sibei Samantarai को. The old man advised him not to. कौन लिखिबा? not to take तापरे जहाँ लिखा है सेटा को सेम लिखी दबो ना जदि do not अच्छी एले सेठी तमे कौन लिखिबो not to remember it एठी the old man advise करूचंती शिवेई सामंतराय को the old man advised him not to take porridge from the middle. Okay, practice it more, then you will know better because practice makes a man perfect. Write it and again you practice it. Okay, let's see what is the next question. Old man, put the stone on the sides. Old man, put the stones on the sides. What will be happen in indirect speech? Change it indirect speech. Yes. Who will say? Try it. Who can say? Here the old man is not advising. The old man is now requesting. Yes. So we have to write here. Yes.
The old man request him put the stones on the sides.
Very good.
The old man request.
Yes. You are right, beta. You are right. Very good. The old man requested to put the stone on the side. The old man requested to put the stone on the side. You have to write here only requested. The old man requested. You have to add here requested only. The old man requested to. We have to write here to. The old man requested to put the stone on the side. To practice more, then you will know better. The old man requested to put the stone on the side. Okay? Let's go to the next question. Rewrite the pairs of sentences by connecting them with but. Using but, we have to connect the sentences. Jasmine can dance. He cannot box. How can we connect these sentences? Jasmine can dance. He cannot box. Use but. Using but, you have to connect the two sentences. Yes, who can say? Yes, beta. Say. Government High School, Devkaranpur.
Jasmine can dance, but he cannot box. Jasmine can dance, but he cannot box.
Jasmine can dance, but cannot box. What is the meaning of box? This is box. Kanna modiba ko box kahanti. Okay. Jasmine can dance, but cannot box. Okay. Next question. Read the following sentences. Pratibha Rai. Example are here. Pratibha Rai has written Silapadma. Pratibha Rai has written Silapadma. As you know, the author Pratibha Rai is now alive. Pratibha Rai ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେଲା has written. Okay, Pratibha Rai ଯଦି subject ବା ଆମର କ'ଣ ଆମର subject ବା author ଯଦି ବଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା has written. Okay, past a present perfect tense. Now see the second question. He wrote two famous books. Not alive. He the pronoun or the subject is not alive. Yadi author kimba poet is not alive, we have to write the only past form. Not alive. Jodi bonchi nahanti se nahanti au jodi tanko pakhre ame kon lekhiba wrote. A jodi se bonchi chanti kon lekhiba has written. Okay, you remember this two things. In these sentences we find the present perfect form of the verb write has plus written so that the author or writer is alive. Rewrite the following sentences using the verb write in its right form, past simple wrote or present perfect has written. Lal Bahadur Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru write the discovery of India. Jawaharlal Nehru write the discovery of India. What is the answer? As you know, Jawaharlal Nehru is no more. So, what is the answer? What will happen? Right form, whether it is wrote or has written. Wrote haba, sorry, wrote haba na has written haba. Yes, who can say? Not written re kon hochi, not alive re kon hochi? Past form, simple past. Okay. Jodi se
Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the discovery of.
Very good, very good. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the discovery of India, not alive. Now rewrite the following sentences using the verb write in its right form past. Simple, right or present perfect. Yes. Chetan Bhagat, right. What young Indian wants? Alive. Chetan Bhagat is now alive. So what is the answer? Yes. Who can say? Chetan Bhagat has written what young Indian wants. Because Chetan Bhagat is now alive. Okay. Yes. You all are brilliant. I know. Next question. The following set of words can be combined to form one word for each pair. Dog plus well, dog well. Such as footprint. Very good. Then. Yes. Okay. While normal tigers are strong, the royal tigers are stronger. Write similar sentences using big. You have to write big in the place of strong. You have to write the word big in the place of strong. What is the answer? Yes? Who can say?
Bigger.
No, beta. You say
Bigger.
the sentence. You see the sentence. You say the sentence. Say the sentence. Full sentence.
While normal tigers are strong,
No.
the royal tigers are strong.
You have to say the big word in the place of strong. Yes, what is the answer? Let's see. While normal tigers are big, the royal tigers are bigger. Okay? Then change the noun into adjective. One is done for you. Brave, bravery. What is the adjective? Brave. Yes. Very good. Then courage. Courage. What is the noun? What is the adjective of courage? Will say. Yes, beta.
Courage.
Courageous. Okay. Then memory. Memorial. Okay. Next question. Use as with not to combine sentences. The mountain is big. The squirrel is not so big. What is the answer? Who can say?
The mountain is big. The mountain is big as the squirrel is not so big.
The squirrel is. You have to say the second question first. Okay. The squirrel is not big, not so big, not as big as mountain. The squirrel is not as big as the mountain. Okay. This is all about your question. Okay. Translate into English. हमें प्रतिदिन विद्यालय को जाऊ. Translate into English. Who can say?
We go to school every day.
Very good. Say Jyoti nache.
She dance.
She dance. Third person singular number. Yes. She dances. Wow. Very good, beta. Very good. More boys of 14. 14.
My age
Yes.
is 14 years.
Okay, no problem. I am 14. Okay, it's advanced English. I am 14. Mo bappa jane chasi.
My father is a farmer.
Wow,
My
very
father is a farmer.
Very good, beta. Very good. Excellent. Good. Mo bappa jane chasi solla. Amo jillar namo Sundargarh.
Our district name is
Our
Sundargarh.
district name is Sundargarh.
No problem. It's okay. Very good. But we have to write the name of our district is Sundargarh. Okay, my dear students, this is all about your essay 2 question. Wish you all the best for your essay 2 exam. Do hard work and do practice more and more. You will do better in your essay 2. Wish you all the best for your bright future. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Okay? Okay.